What if I told you that Google has a completely free AI tool that can turn your PDF, Google Docs, YouTube videos, even entire website into professional podcast with two AI hosts discussing your content, and it takes literally one click. And what if I told you it can also create study guides, quizzes, flashcards and mind maps all for free and barely anyone knows about it. I am talking about Google Notebook LM, and it just got massive update in October 2025 that makes it even more powerful. In this video, I am showing you everything, what it is, how to use it step by step, and why this might be the most underrated free AI tool right now. Let's dive in. Alright, so first, what exactly is Google Notebook LM? Notebook LM is Google's free AI powered research assistant built on Gemini 1.5. But here is what makes it completely different from ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI chatbot you have used. The key difference: when you use ChatGPT, it pulls information from its massive training data, basically the entire internet up to a certain date. That's great for general knowledge, but here is the problem. It can make things up. It can cite your specific documents, and it mixes general knowledge with your content. Notebook LM is completely different. It only uses the document you upload, nothing else. If the answer isn't in your upload source, it will tell you I don't have that information instead of making something up. Think of it like this. Notebook LM is a personal research assistant who's only read your document like a specialist. And here is why that matters. Exact passage in your document where it found that information. You can instantly fact check everything. For students, researchers, content creators, professionals, this is a game changer because you can actually trust the information. Notebook LM can process PDF files, Google Docs, Google Slide, YouTube video, website. You have to just paste the links, audio files and plain text. And here is the insane part. You can upload up to 50 sources per notebook with up to 25 million words total. That's like 50 textbooks worth of content that Notebook LM can analyze for you. Privacy and trust. One more critical thing. Your data is private. Google doesn't train their AI models on your uploaded documents. Whatever you upload, stay yours. This is huge for students working on paper, professionals handling confidential documents, or anyone who cares about privacy. So that's what it is. Now let me show you the feature that went absolutely viral and why everyone is talking about Notebook LM right now. This is the feature that made Notebook LM explode. Audio overviews. And when I say it's revolutionary, I mean it. With one click, Notebook LM can turn any document, your study notes, a research paper, a business report, literally anything into a professional quality podcast with two AI hosts having a natural conversation discussing your content. Let me show you how it works. First, I am going to click on create a new notebook. Now I am going to upload my PDF from here. Click on the upload source. I am going to upload this Blackbook project PDF. Once my source is uploaded, I will go to the studio panel. On the right side, you will see audio overviews at the top. Now here is where the October 2025 update comes in. You can now customize your audio overview. Now click on this pencil icon, and now here is where the October 2025 update comes in. You can now customize your audio overview. Look at this option. Deep dive in is a default option where in-depth conversation between two hosts unpacking topics. The second one is the brief, where quick overview under 2 minutes with a single speaker. The critic, which gives constructive feedback on your document. Last option is the debate, where two hosts debating different perspectives. I have selected the deep dive option for a full conversation. You can also choose the length, like shorter by default or longer depending on how much time you have. From here we can choose audio language. Audio overviews now support 50 plus languages. You can generate podcasts in Hindi, Spanish, French, Japanese, whatever you need. And you can also give the custom instructions in this column, and this is very powerful part. For example, you can type focus on the practical application, or explain this for beginners who know nothing about AI. Or you can also give I am an expert, skip the basic and focus on advanced concepts, or make this suitable for 10th grade student. I will just keep it as default for now and just click generate. Now we will wait. It usually took 2 to 3 minutes to generate. NotebookLM is analyzing your entire document. NotebookLM is analyzing your entire document, understanding the key concept, and creating a natural conversation script for two AI hosts. And done. Look at this. And now I have a professional podcast about my documents. So let's hear it.
Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're unlocking the doors to one of the most vital parts of healthcare, but one you probably never see, the medical laboratory.
So listen to how natural this sounds. These are AI generated voice having a real conversation. Let's hear some more.
It means the bone marrow is working overtime. Maybe you're responding to blood loss or something destroying red cells. But if it drops really low, like below 0.2%, that's a serious warning sign. Could be bone marrow suppression.
Wow, okay. That's a really sensitive indicator then. Now, what about the ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate? It sounds almost primitive. You're just timing how fast red cells fall.
It does sound simple, yeah, but it's still incredibly.
Listen to how natural this sounds, right? These are AI generated voices having a real conversation, asking each other questions, explaining complex topics in simple language. This is not robotic text to speech. This is conversational, engaging, and actually enjoying to listen to. So why this is revolutionary? Here is why this is such a big deal. You can turn your textbook into a podcast and listen while commuting, exercising, cooking, or doing chores. Your study material becomes portable audio content. Some people learn better by listening than reading. Audio overviews solve that problem instantly. It also instead of reading 50 pages, you can get the key insight in a 10-minute podcast, perfect for busy professional or student with multiple subjects to cover. It makes boring content interesting. That dry 100 pages corporate report, now it's a lively conversation between two hosts breaking it down for you. This is amazing for people with dyslexia, visual impairment, or anyone who struggles with traditional reading. And once it's generated, you can adjust playback speed, download the audio file. You can click on the three dot and you can download it from here, or you can even listen to it while continuing to work in NotebookLM. You can ask questions about your document while the podcast play in the background. But audio overviews are just one feature. NotebookLM has so many more tools specifically designed for students and learners. Let me show you. If you are a student or anyone trying to learn new material, NotebookLM has tools that are honestly game-changing, and these are all launched in September and October 2025, so they are brand new. First, just click on the mind map and it will start generating the mind map. This is perfect for visual learners. NotebookLM creates an interactive visual map showing how all concepts in your documents connect to each other. You can see the big picture. The main topics branch out into subtopics and can expand or collapse sections. This is incredibly useful when you are studying complex subjects and need to understand how everything is related. Our next feature is the flashcard. This is launched in September 2025. Just click on this pencil button. You can see the flashcard interface here. NotebookLM automatically creates flashcards from your content. You see the question, try to answer it, then flip the card to check. It's active recall, proven to be one of the most effective study techniques. And you can export these to other flashcard apps if you want. You can also change the number of cards from fewer to standard, or you can also click on more. You can also choose the level of difficulty. So I'm just going to keep it as standard and medium, the level of difficulty. And you can also give the comment whatever you want, and you can click on generate. So as you can see, it will start creating the flashcards. Let's check out the feature quiz. This is where it gets really interactive. NotebookLM generates multiple choice question, testing your understanding of the material. You answer the question and it gives you instant feedback, showcasing which answers are correct and why. This turns passive studying into active learning. You are testing yourself, identifying weak spots, and reinforcing what you know. You can also customize your quiz by clicking on here. And if you want the number of questions to be fewer, standard, or more, and you can also choose difficulty from here, and whatever topic you want to choose from your document, you can type it here and you can keep it as blank, so it will automatically choose by itself, and you can just click on generate, so it will start generating the quiz. And here is the newest feature, video overviews, which just launched in July and got a major upgrade in October 2025. This takes your document and creates a narrated video with slides, diagrams, quotes, and visuals to explain the content. Think of it as a visual alternative to audio overviews. It's a perfect for complex topics that needs visual aids like understanding data charts, seeing process diagrams, or following step-by-step instruction. And the October update added Nano Banana AI for even better visuals plus new styles like anime, heritage, and retro print. So from here you can choose the language of the video and you can give instruction to your video as well, and you can just click on generate. So it will start generating the video overview. So just to recap, what Notebook LM can create from your documents. It can create audio podcast, video overviews, study guides, mind maps, reports, flashcards, and quizzes. All of these completely free, unlimited use, no paid tiers, no credit limits, just pure value from Google. Now let me show you the advanced features that make Notebook LM even powerful. Beyond all the automatic tools, Notebook LM has a powerful chat interface where you can ask specific question about your documents. Let's say I ask what is WBC. Press enter. Notebook LM gives me the answer, but look, every statement has a citation number. I can click on it and it shows me exactly where in the document it found that information. This is perfect for research papers, fact checking, or just understanding where information comes from. And if you're not sure what to ask, Notebook LM automatically suggests questions based on your content. So if you click on the suggested question, it will give you the answer. These are actually really helpful starting points. Here is where it gets really powerful. You can upload multiple sources. Let's say I upload a chapter of any book, or let's say a whole book itself, or any lecture slide, or even YouTube lecture video, as well as any research paper. And I can ask Notebook LM what are the common themes across all these sources, or where do these sources contradict each other. Notebook LM analyzes all your sources simultaneously and find connections, patterns, and differences. This is incredible for research projects where you are synthesizing information from multiple places. Create and save notes. You can also create or save notes inside Notebook LM. You can see the option here. You can click on here and it will save the note alongside the AI generated content, so you can add your own thoughts. You can also comment or question it, and you can link your notes to specific sources or quotes, keeping everything organized in one place. October 2025 updates. The October 2025 updates added some really nice features. Customizable response length and tone. You can now tell Notebook LM to give you concise answers or detailed explanation and adjust the tone from casual to formal. Learning guide mode. This is smart. Before giving you any answer, Notebook LM asks you what your goal is. Are you trying to understand basic, get a quick overview, or analyze business's implication? It tailors responses based on your learning objectives. Google Drive integration. You can now connect your Google Drive and automatically sync your documents. When you update a file in Drive, Notebook LM can update automatically. Multiple outputs per notebook. This is huge. You can create multiple audio overviews, mind maps, or study guides in the same notebook. For example, create one audio overview in English and another in Hindi, or create different study guides focusing on different chapters. All these updates make Notebook LM incredibly flexible for different use cases. Real world use cases. Who should use this? So who is Notebook LM actually for? Let me show you a real world example. If you are a student, upload your textbook chapter, generate audio overviews, listen while commuting to school, upload lecture slides, create flashcards and quizzes, test yourself before exam, upload multiple research papers, ask Notebook LM to synthesize findings, use for your team papers, upload your YouTube lecture videos, generate study guides, review key points quickly. This literally turns your entire study workflow into an AI-powered system. For content creators like me, if you are a YouTube creator, blogger, or content creator, upload computer videos and content strategy, upload research articles, generate audios overview, use a background audio while writing script, upload multiple sources on a topic, ask for unique angles, find fresh content ideas, upload interview transcripts, generate summary, pull out best quotes. I personally use Notebook LM for video research all the time. It saves me hours. For professionals, if you are working professionals, upload meeting transcript, generate action items and summary, share with teammate, upload industry report, create audio overview, listen during commute. Upload client documents, ask specific questions, get quick answers with citation. Upload multiple project files, generate comprehensive report, present to stakeholders. For leaders and hobbyists, if you are just someone who loves learning new things, upload the book you have been meaning to read, generate audio overviews, finally read it, upload tutorial PDFs, create step-by-step guide, follow along while practicing. Upload complex articles, generate simplified explanation, actually understand them. The point is, NotebookLM is useful for literally anyone who works with documents, studies, research, or create contents, which is basically everyone. Pro tips and hidden features. Before we wrap up, let me share some pro tips that will make you a NotebookLM power user. Combine with Gemini. Use Gemini AI for brainstorming and creative thinking, then organize and fact check everything in NotebookLM. They work perfectly together. Upload YouTube videos strategically. You don't need to download videos, just paste the YouTube URL and NotebookLM extract the transcript automatically. It is great for online courses or tutorials. Use custom instructions for audio overview. Don't just click generate and custom create. Don't just click on generate. You can click on this pencil button and add custom instruction. Tell it your expertise level, what to focus on and what to skip. The result will be so much better. Keep separate notebook for different projects, subject, client or projects. Don't mix everything together. Organization is key. Download audio files. You can download audio overview as MP3 files. This means you can listen on any device, share with study group or even upload your podcast app. Generate multiple versions. With the October update, you can create multiple audio overviews from the same source with different focuses. Try generating 2-3 versions and pick the best one. Upload English documents. Generate audio overviews in your native language or vice versa. Great for bilingual learning. Coming soon features. Google has announced upcoming features: API access for developers, infographic generation, more visual tools, enhanced collaboration features, mobile app improvements. NotebookLM is actively being developed, so expect even more features soon. NotebookLM versus ChatGPT. When to use what? Quick comparison. When should you use NotebookLM versus ChatGPT? Use NotebookLM when you need to analyze your specific document, you need citation and fact checking, you're studying or doing research, you want to turn documents into podcasts, you need grounded, trustworthy answers, you're working with proprietary or confidential data. Use ChatGPT when you need general knowledge answers. You're brainstorming creative ideas, you want to write drafts or content from scratch, you need coding help, you're asking what if hypothetical questions. Honestly, they complement each other. Use ChatGPT for creation, use NotebookLM for research and analysis. That's what I do. So that's Google NotebookLM, the completely free AI research assistant that can turn any document into podcast, study guides, quizzes, flashcards, mind maps, and more. With the October 2025 update, adding video overviews, customizable audio formats, multilingual support, and Google Drive integration, it's honestly one of the best AI tools available right now. And it's 100% free with no catch. Whether you are a student preparing for exam, a content creator doing research, a professional analyzing documents, or just someone who wants to learn faster, NotebookLM is worth trying. The link to NotebookLM is in the description. Go to the notebooklm.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and start experimenting. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe. I cover the latest AI tools every week with practical, no BS tutorials like this. Drop a comment telling me what document are you going to turn into a podcast first. I am genuinely curious. Maybe your textbook, a business report, a book you have been meaning to read. Let me know below. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Now go, turn some boring PDFs into podcasts.